chill. Let's go buy tomatoes.
Tomatoes? Yes, let's go fast.
Yes, let's go.
Faster, Tom.
I'm right behind you.
Hurry up.
Wait for me.
Come on.
I'm trying.
Whoa! Whoa, be careful! You hit the ladder!
Are you okay?
There you go!
Sorry, mister.
Clean this up now! Up now!
We are sorry, sir. We are sorry.
It's all right, I forgive you.
I am sad. My shoes are dirty.
It's okay. We go home fast and clean them.
Move, move, move! My bike has no brakes!
That was close. We almost hit the bike. Maybe I step on something. Oh no, it is a dog's tail.
The dog is coming. No! Run right fast. Help!
He's gaining! Run faster! Run faster!
Yes, it's so fast. Over here!
Oh no, a dead end!
The dog will bite us! You're mine now!
Right, come back!
Milo, sit! Good boy, Milo. Are you okay?
Yes, I think so. Oh my God, where are we? This is not our street.
Wow, look at that big cake! Wow, these flowers are very fresh. Hey, I see that pizza shop again. I think we walked here before.
Oh no, this place is like a maze.
I want my mom. We'll find her, I promise.